Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Yep, I'm starting to post more just in case you're realizing. By the way, yeah, so I better get into the video. Here you go on YouTube only. If you don't remember, I'm doing intros, so don't ask why I'm doing that, because I'm doing intros. Now guys, today, I'm going to be teaching you different tricks, like different jumping tricks, into things. Like for example, I have a whole I have like so many stuffies in the middle of this room right now, and yeah. So today I'm going to be doing. It's kind of like jumping onto tricks in the swings, but I'm going to be doing like backflips. I mean, I don't know how to do backflips, so I'm not gonna try. I mean, front flips. I always get those mixed up. Front flips and like sideways flips and like other crazy tricks. You'll even get to create one of your own in this video. So hope you enjoy. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we're of course firstly gonna do a front flip. Now in my video, for I think it's called gymnastics tutorial for kids or something, we're gonna do a front flip. If you haven't watched it or don't remember that video, you can just watch this video again because I will teach you how to do it again. So first, you're gonna wanna like get a bounce, you know, so that you're like high enough so that you don't just go like fall into it, because that would be a somersault. But you're gonna jump, and then you're gonna push yourself forward and go around. Now, think of it as a somersault in the air. So I'll show you. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. And anyways, that's how you do it. All right. Second trick, number 2. Okay, guys. So this trick, I made this one up. It's called Wee! Yep, I named it that. Don't ask why. But, so you go like this. So you know how sometimes you here. You know how sometimes you sit on your knees kind of like this? You go like that and you go like wee! Like that. It's kind of weird. It's very weird. Don't ask why. I just made that up. But anyways, 3, 2, 1, wee! Yeah, it's like that. Alright, now we're going to do a sideways flip. Guys, please hear my words. This one is really dangerous if you're a beginner on how to do front flips. So, I would recommend skipping this step if you don't know how to, if you're like just a beginner on learning how to do a front flip. Because I'm not a beginner. I've known how to do one since I was like 9 or 8. So, and I'm 10 right now. Probably 8, but I'm 10 right now, so I've been doing it for 2 years, basically 3 actually. 3.5 years or 2 years, I don't really know, but probably 2 years. But like right at when it was almost my birthday, I learned how to do it, so 3.5 years technically. So, but anyways, I do not recommend this if you're just beginning. So skip this step if you think you don't know how to do it. So just like fast forward it or like just watch if you're curious. You can do whatever, but just, yeah. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1. Yep, it's like that. It's kind of dangerous. Alright, guys. Let's do another one. So I call this one, if you don't know K-pop Demon Hunters, hopefully you do, but if you don't, yes, I'm mentioning K-pop Demon Hunters because that's like literally my favorite movie. I love Rumi, Mystery, and Baby Sound. I need to stop yapping about that. I'm yapping too much about my 3 favorite characters. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, I call this one My Little Soda Pop. And I do the dance and then I flip into there after I finish doing the dance. Now, I'm not good at the dance, but still. So refreshing, my little soda pop. You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Yep, it's called My Little Soda Pop. It doesn't actually. I call it My Little Soda Pop, but you can call it Soda Pop, whatever. It's time to try defying gravity. Yep, that's the next trick. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you guys have seen the movie Wicked. Hopefully. At least the first Wicked. It's called Defying Gravity. And like I jump in like belly flop kind of. Well, no, that's Superman. Then I'll do Superman. But okay, I'll just show you. It's time to try defying gravity. That's what it is. Now let's do Superman. So Superman is kind of dangerous, I guess, because it might hurt if you don't have too much of a soft surface. But like you belly flop, but you go like that, like how superheroes fly. Here, I'll show you. In 3, 2, 1. Yep, that really did. Yeah, that really did. What the heck? What the heck is that thing? It's a bug! Oh my gosh! Guys, I'm not even kidding. Guys, there's a bug. Guys, I'm not even kidding. Guys, I don't know if you can see him, but you probably can't see him, but look. Can you see him? Can you see him? Guys, he's right there. The thing you see on the screen, he's right there. Look. He's a bug. Should I try? I'm gonna smush him. Don't worry, I'm gonna smush him. Is he dead? Die! Sorry if he went sideways. Bro escaped so fast. Is that a mosquito? No way. Die! Guys, is that actually a bug? It was a piece of bug. It was a piece of fuzz. Great! I just spent a whole minute trying to kill a mosquito. I thought it was a mosquito. It was fuzz. Cause watch. That's a fuzz. Ew, I'm dropping you. It's disgusting. Blah! Let's get on. Okay. Let's do, I'm levitating. So you jump in and you go and you like do crisscross applesauce, go like this, and then I'm levitating. It's like that. Yep. I would literally die. I'm shining like I wanna be, and when your patterns start to show, I can't think of. Now I'm shining like I wanna be. No ladies fighting more. Did I just say 2 ladies fighting? No way. Okay, anyways. This one's called Roar. Or Rar. If you want to be a preppy, like me. But, you jump in and go like this. Rar! Yeah, that kind of hurt really bad. But I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Wait. I'm good. Alright, guys. Fox here is going to help us with this next one. It's called, What Did the Fox Say? Ding, 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 ding. I'm pretty sure so many people, I'm pretty sure everybody watching this video right now has heard the song, What Does the Fox Say? Ding, 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 ding. Anyways, you're going to hold a fox stuffy like this. Doesn't matter how big. It can be tiny, big, like my big, or anyways. But, and then you sing, What does the fox say? And then you go like, ding, 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 with the fox in your hand. Alright, this one's called Smurfy. It's Smurfs. Guys, watch the new Smurfs movie. Alright. Anyways, I'm using this because I don't have any other Smurfs. He's in a Christmas costume. Don't ask why. But, ding, ding, ding. And then you just don't say anything, but you go like this with him. Actually, you can say Smurf if you want, or Smurfy. But I'm going to say Smurfy. You go like, Smurfy! Like that. And then perfect. Or Preppy Smurf. Preppy Emo Smurf. Gargamel. Azrael. Now I'm shining out the night like I wanna be. By the way, I don't know if this is gonna work. I might not post for the next 3 days, guys. Well, 2 days technically, because my friend's coming over, and maybe we can make a kids video on my channel with her. Her name is, you know what? She can reveal her name when she gets here. But yeah. No, Brooklyn, what do you want? I'm doing a video, can't you see? I know I made 2 videos today, but I'm doing another one. Go away. No. Sorry, that's my sister, Brooklyn. She's popular over 3 on 5, by the way. So, doesn't matter if you have more subscribers than me. That's so off topic. Just leave. I'm in my bedroom. Go. Here, guys. I need to deal with my sister. Oh! No, I said no. I said no. Guys, help. I'm sorry that you guys had to see like half of that. She's just like really tired today. She's been like so mean today. I think she stayed up all night watching K-pop Demon Hunters, just like I almost did. But yeah, I still have so many tricks to go. Hang on, guys. AFK. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I was AFK for about like, I don't know, whatever, 12. Okay, so this one's also kind of dangerous. You belly flop, and then while you're jumping, you go like belly flop. So ready? It goes like this: 3, 2, 1, belly flop. It might be a little bit dangerous for little kids, but it's good. It's like so good. Now I'm shining like I wanna be. Okay, really funny warning, silliness warning, silliness warning, silliness warning, silliness warning, silliness warning. Beep, beep. I'm sorry if that was really cringe. Okay. Ready, guys? Okay, so this one's called Mystical, Magical. Pretty sure you guys know that song. It's by Benson Boone. Hopefully you know him. But you hold any kind of cute animal that looks powerful. Like I have Pinkie Pie. 'Cause I'm so mystical, magical. That's right. And yes, you're gonna jump with the whatever you have. And you're gonna spin in the air and go like mystical, magical, and then land. Like you gotta try and land it. Well, actually, never mind. You know what? Just do it because you're so mystical, magical. Yes, I held Pinkie Pie while doing it. You gotta hold it. All right. Here's the next one. Grab a really cute animal and go like, "You're a cutie pie," and fall while you're saying that. Okay, this one's like really good. You're a cutie pie. Yeah, it goes like that. Okay, anyways, we're gonna do, this one's called Pillow Fight. So, you gotta grab at least 3 pillows. You gotta grab 3 pillows. Yep, you gotta grab 3. And then you're gonna jump with all 3 pillows that you have in your hand, and you're gonna throw them in the air. So it's like this. This one's kind of complicated. Pillow fight! Wow! Wow! Yeah, it goes like that. Sis! Whoa! 'Cause you're so mystical. Brooklyn, stop. Brooklyn. Okay. Sorry, my sister's just really mad today. Okay, this one's called My Little. It goes like, my little baby boy. It goes like, oh my little baby boy, daddy, 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 daddy. Oh my little baby boy, my toy, my joy. And then you jump with him going like this. It's like Mufasa. Okay, ready? My baby, and you do your own dance by doing this, so it's so fun. My little baby boy. Oh my little baby boy, daddy, 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 daddy. Oh my little baby boy, my toy. Yeah, perfect, guys. He wants to say hi. He wants to say hi. Okay. This next one is called Sylvania had a cheap baba. Yep. Don't ask why I named it that. I come up with the craziest ideas, okay? My baby boy. Oh, my little baby boy. Daddy, 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 daddy. I'm sorry. I'm gonna wait until it's 17 minutes so that we can do it. Nope. Nope. No. No. Okay, guys. So you hold two freaking animals that like live in the savannah, and then you go like Sylvania, hey. Yep. You go like that. I'm gonna smile right when it's 17 minutes of recording. Okay. But like really creepy. Not like creepy that you have niners, but like, you know what I mean. That was really cringe. Shut